Of our new Vuzix Blades just delivered, hot off the UPS truck. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to use these in our new advanced pick application. And very excited to see what these look like. Nice box. Safety instructions, warranty. A quick start guide. Very basic stuff. I doubt I'll even look at it. A nice case. It's very lightweight, so the glasses must be very, very light. Although the case is a little bit large, so I'm not going to be carrying that around. And here they are. The new Vuzix Blades. Getting these as a part of our developer program so we can test with our application. The trackpad on the side. They look a little bit tight, but the glass looks a little bit tinted, probably so it can show the superimposed AR image. Comes with a little bag. Looks a little bit tight, so let me see how that's going to fit inside the little carrying case. Oh yeah, it's a little bit snug. Because of the trackpad, it looks like they don't fold like regular glasses would fold, which not a big deal. We're not as if we're talking about regular glasses here, but the case is a little bit snug on the glasses, but that's fine. We have a USB cable to connect it to the computer. Let's take a look and see how that fits on the glasses. Looks like it plugs in on the side. Let's plug that in. What I'm really thinking is in manufacturing or warehouse use, we'd like some sort of a docking station, but that's a small issue. I suppose you could dock it.